Hey there! If you're in Ireland and looking to invest in the S&P 500, you might have found yourself a bit lost. It's not as straightforward as it seems, right? Maybe you've been wondering, which ETF should I choose? Which platforms can I trust here in Ireland? How do I avoid those pesky currency conversion fees? These are common hurdles for Irish investors, and they can make the process feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to help you cut through the confusion. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to invest in the S&P 500 from Ireland. I'll show you how to pick the right ETFs, avoid unnecessary fees, and choose a platform that works best for you. For the complete version, feel free to check out our article on investingintheweb.com, link in the description below. Step 1. Pick an ETF tracking the S&P 500. The S&P 500 consists of the leading 500 publicly traded US companies. It includes large, well-known companies such as Apple, Tesla, and Microsoft, just to name a few. While you can't directly buy the S&P 500 index, you can invest in an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that replicates the index's performance. For Irish investors, it's important to note that you can't invest in US ETFs like VOO. Instead, there are Europe-specific ETFs that comply with European regulations. On the screen, you'll see a table listing the 5 largest S&P 500 ETFs available for Irish investors. This list was curated using Just ETF, a handy tool for finding and comparing ETFs. We would recommend one of the first two, iShares or Vanguard, for these reasons. Both present a total expense ratio, TER, of 0.07%, which is considered very low. The replication method is physical, meaning that you are investing in the underlying assets. These two are the biggest ETFs by asset under management, AUM, meaning that they are extremely unlikely to be closed down. Step 2 is to choose a good ETF investment platform. Having selected one of the ETFs, you need to find a broker where you can actually invest in it. You can compare different platforms directly in our article, where we analyze their fees, minimum deposits, regulators, and more. We'd feel confident investing with any of the platforms listed. For more advanced investors with larger portfolios, we recommend Interactive Brokers, one of the top investment platforms globally. For beginners, Trading 212 is an excellent choice. Plus, by using our promo code IITW, you can get a free share worth up to £100 when signing up with Trading 212. Additionally, our channel features step-by-step guides on how to invest in the S&P 500 using various platforms, including IBKR and Trading 212, so be sure to check out our other videos. The final step, place your order. Once you've found an online platform that meets your needs, it's time to place a buy order for your chosen ETF. For this example, we'll use Interactive Brokers, link in the description below. Start by searching for your ETF. We'll use SXR8 in this case, since this is the largest S&P 500 ETF by assets. Furthermore, it is quoted in euros. Next, click Buy and enter the order details. Then you need to choose the number of shares you want to buy and the order type. We will now buy 2 shares using a market order. Then just click Send Buy Order and you're ready to go. And that's it. Our order has been filled. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments or feedback, please leave them below. And if you want to check more details and read our comprehensive analysis, you can read our article on investing in the web, where we go more in detail about which ETF you should choose, the fees you'll be charged, and other info. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.